Hi everyone, Sherry here. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm in my RV. We are getting ready to go on vacation to New Mexico and Arizona. What better way to start my vacation than to unbox and review my mini single slice toaster. The reason why I bought this was because we don't have much space in our RV, but we wanted a toaster for when we are camping with full hookup, so we can have toast for breakfast or whatever. We don't eat much bread anyway, so the single slice toaster would be perfect. Small space, not much bread, not much better than that, right? So let's check this out. You have a little thank you for buying their product. I do like MyMinis, and they're a lot like Dash, and I love Dash. I have some of each. I thought this was going to be blue, and I was really hoping I'd get teal because teal's my favorite color, and it's teal. It seems like it's very cheaply made, but if it works for the RV, I'm all for that. So let's see what we have here. Of course, you got the MyMini printed on the front. This comes with a manual as well, and it looks like a very nice manual. So here is the toaster slot. It is a wide slot, so you can put your bagels in it as well, which is nice. So here's what they call the control level. It is just, you push down so the toast will start browning. Here's the control knob. It's a little dot over here. So that's what you line up with. Right now it's on off, and then it goes from light to dark. This is your darkest, this is your lightest, and then that's off. Here's the crumb tray. You just kind of pinch it together, open it up that way, and empty out your crumbs, which is nice. So it does not have a cancel button like most toasters do. If it's getting too brown for you and you want to pop it up, the old school toasters, you just pop this back up. You don't do that with this. So whatever setting that you have it on, if you want it to get done, just go to the lightest setting. And if it's already there, if it's already past that lightest setting, it will automatically pop up. Because whenever your toast is at the setting that it is supposed to be, when it reaches the desired brownness, it will pop up. And it also has the maintenance. It says when you're done with your toasting, unplug it, and then when it cools, clean it out. Let me move it over to the stove area, and I'm hoping my cord will reach the outlet because the outlet's in my cupboard. All right, so this RV is a 2001, and a lot of things that aren't the best in this one, they've improved in the newer models. And the one thing is, the only plug-in I have in my kitchen is actually in my cupboard above my sink on the ceiling of the cupboard. And so a toaster will not reach that. They never make the appliance cords very long because they don't want you to overload it, and they don't want extension cords for that. That's actually deemed not safe. We won't be traveling, we'll be sitting here, and this is just a little cubby where it's a cabinet that we have all of Buddy's stuff stored underneath. With that being said, let's see how well it works. I have my piece of bread here. I'm going to turn the knob probably about halfway, which should be about 3. And then we'll just push down. It is working, it is heating up. I'm going to let it go its full cycle because I don't know how brown it's going to get. It has a violent jump up. It jumped up and I jumped up. Now this is actually the brownness that I liked. What I like about the single slice toaster is it browns evenly on both sides. For only being around $10, it is a nice little handy toaster that I can find room to put in my RV. So if you're a single person and you only want one piece of toast, then the MyMini would be good for you. It would be good for kids because they usually don't eat 2 pieces of toast, and it's going to be perfect in our RV. The cons are that it doesn't have a cancel button and that it doesn't have numbers on the control knob. But those are minor cons that I can deal with real easily. So this is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. Until next time.